Hello everyone, this is Sean from Barry Digital Media and I hope you are doing well. Now, this is me in my first impressions of taking a look at Klaviyo here. I have not used this, but I see it posted in many places, so I just wanted to take a tour of it to get an understanding of what is going on in this platform. Now, I understand what Klaviyo is, basically an automation tool for your different channels like email and SMS. And I think also phone notifications as well. Now, what I think is interesting about it is you can also create flows. So then you can go from your original email, your like welcome email, to perhaps a follow-up email, and then perhaps integrations such as if somebody makes a purchase on your Shopify store, for example, then it could send a follow-up email with potentially some additional shopping recommendations. Or let's say that somebody abandoned their cart, then perhaps Klaviyo here could send a follow-up email where it has your remaining cart items inside of it. So let's just take a look what's going on here. Let's see, it's talking about Shopify, creating sign-up forms. Okay, interesting. So it looks like it has some website integrations as well. That's pretty interesting. And here's one of the flows that I was speaking about. Create a flow that automatically sends a welcome message to new subscribers of your brand. It looks like it has a Shopify integration here. That's quite interesting. It looks like you can create campaigns here. So what that means to me is, let's say if I was selling pet products, then I could focus on something like dog bones, create a campaign around it, and then send it to my audience. Here it looks like where I can create one of those flows. So this looks like, okay, perfect. Welcome series. So potentially when you get a new customer there, abandoned cart. So if somebody puts a lot of items in their cart but then disappears, then that's perfect. Browse abandonment, somebody that showed a lot of curiosity. You can make a customizations around that. Thank you as well. So let's say if somebody does buy a product or signs up for your service, then it looks like you can make a flow around that. And then product reviews as well. And then customer win back. So that looks like our retention strategy right there. It turns like, or it looks like it also has a review feature here. Klaviyo Reviews lets you collect and showcase customer feedback to grow trust and sales. For free to start, it features AI for drafting responses and analyzing reviews, integrate with Shopify or WooCommerce, automate review collections, build trust with customized widgets, and smarter marketing. That looks pretty interesting. 26% in made in consolidate emails and SMS in reviews. So in grow average order value by 26.1%. That's pretty impressive. Discover how Compass Coffee boosted reviews by 70% with Klaviyo reviews. Very interesting. Sign up forms. So it looks like on your website there, you can have an integrated Klaviyo pop-up or feature where you can get some of the customer's basic information like their email. And that's an interesting stat right there. Each sign up is worth $47 on average. Interesting. Growth strategies. Okay. It looks like it has some training and education on how to become a better marketer with Klaviyo. Audience. It looks like you have the ability to segment your contacts. So SMS, email list, new subscribers, engaged in the last 90 days, engaged in the last 60, 30 days. Create. So it looks like with my segment, it has a bunch of conditions here that I can customize. If someone can or cannot receive marketing, what someone has done or not done, someone's proximity to a location, that's interesting. If someone is or not on the list, if someone is or not within the EU, properties about someone, predictive analytics about someone. Okay. That seems very powerful with the different audiences here. I think you can go really deep with that audience segmentation there. Content. Let's take it. Okay, so this is probably, yeah, that's really nice. It's giving you all these different templates for your different email or it looks like email, but I'm wondering if they do SMS as well. But in any case, it looks like you can choose from one of these templates and create a campaign from it. That's really nice. Partner created. So I'm wondering if there's an ability to, if you don't really have a business yet using Klaviyo, you could potentially make some content for Klaviyo by the looks of that. Another possible revenue generator there. Universal content, products. So it looks like you can have integration with your own products there. Save time by adding your brand. Okay, so I think this is some customizations so you can save time by setting some standards. So if you take a look at the right here and you have these colors that are your brand colors, you could have them set so then every time that you start up a new campaign, they're already there for you. Analytics, that's very important. So then you can discover what is working and what is not. Conversations. It looks like you can have conversations with customers there. And integrations. Okay, so this is very interesting. It looks like it has integrations for Meta ads, Google ads, Stripe, Square, Rebuy, TikTok, Smile, Zapier, Orita, Mail Bandit, GreenSpark. So it does look like I have, and I also have View All apps. Amazon S3, BigCommerce. So it looks like it has a big opportunity to integrate with possibly a lot of the apps that your company is already using. Yeah, so I just wanted to take a quick look at Klaviyo here, and it looks very interesting and very it looks very interesting and then also very sophisticated as well, especially with those audiences and then also with the analytics that it's giving you, and of course the flows that you can set up, and then you can build your customer journey here. So this is the first. I think I am going to take a second look at this platform, but my first impressions are quite good. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you. Bye.